Hey guys, I know we've had a little bit of a difference in math this week, and today is no different, except for it is different. We are going to do some math word problems. We're going to do 4 together, and then you're going to do 4 on your own. These are review skills, so you should be able to handle them just fine. If you would like to glue your little cards in your math notebook, that would be fine too. You do not have to. I did, and we are, hang on, where'd it go? Here we go. And we'll get started, okay? So as you saw, your discussion post is for 6, 7, 8, and 12. So we're gonna do the other problems together, starting with number 5, okay? Practicing our circling and our boxing and our underlining, all of our wonderful strategies that we've been working on all year. All right, number 5. Finn found 7 bright green eggs, but Kai found 4 times as many. He didn't find 4 times. How many green eggs did Kai find? So what are we going to do? I bet you probably have already solved it. I'm trying to glue in one of my cards, sorry. Okay, if it's 4 times, it would be 7 4 times, right? And you should know your facts by now. I'm serious, you better learn your facts if you don't know them. You don't get a multiplication chart on the FSA. 4 is 28, or you can also do our repeated addition strategy. Right, we know that. We should be past that, but if you don't know your facts, you better know your repeated addition strategy. Okay. Okay. Eno ran 97 yards to find the golden egg. Arlo, 97, that sounds almost as long as a football field. Arlo ran twice as far to find another golden egg. How many yards did Arlo run is our question. So we've got 97, and our clue there is Arlo ran twice. What does that mean? 2 times. So it would be 97 times 2, except that's kind of a big multiplication fact. And we know anything times 2 is a double. So we would just say 97 plus 97. So you go ahead and solve it. Seven plus 7 is 14. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 9 is 194. You should have gotten that, hopefully. Okay. All right, now we're going to hit number 10. Okay, the Easter ham needs to be ready at 12:30. The directions say that it needs to bake for 3.5 hours. What time do we need to put the ham in the oven? Okay, so is my time going to be before 12:30 or after 12:30? It will be before 12:30 because it has to cook for 3.5 hours. So how are we going to figure that out? It needs to be ready at 12:30, and we need to cook it for 3.5 hours. And how many minutes is in a half hour? Yep, 30 minutes. So if I cancel those 2 out, because 30 minus 30 is 0, and I subtract here, 12 minus 3 is 9, I get 9 o'clock. And we can check our work. So if I put the ham in the oven at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I wait 3.5 hours, so 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, and then 30 minutes, 12 to 12:30, we got my right answer. Check. Sometimes you can count forwards or sometimes you can count backwards. They're both strategies that work. You just got to figure out what works for you, like I always say. All right, and let's do number 11 together. Oh, it's another time one. Family pictures are scheduled for 1:45. Lunch is planned for 12:30. How much time will we have to eat? Okay, so if we start lunch at 12:30 and then we want to get to 1:45, okay? So you can do that the same way. It's kind of hard because I'm going past 1. So if I start at 12:30 and I add an hour, then I'm at 1:30. So that's 1 hour. And 1:30 to 1:45 is 15. So we get 1 hour and 15 minutes to eat. That's a long time to eat. Okay, this time I'm showing you the different way I counted up. 12:30 to 1:30 is 1 hour, and 1:30, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45 is 15 more minutes. Okay, so I showed you 2 different strategies. You got to figure out what works for you. Okay, and again, these type of problems you're doing today are all review, since we have finished our math book already. And you are going to do number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 12 for your discussion post. All right, get your work checked. And if you celebrate Easter, have a great Easter. Have a great weekend with your family regardless. All right, and we'll see you back next week. Have a great one. Bye.